Good morning. I'm Wade Johnson in New York. We're coming on the air with this breaking news because the Supreme Court has just issued a major ruling involving the Second Amendment and a gun control law created to keep firearms out of the hands of domestic abusers. The court asks if the government can prohibit people under domestic violence restraining orders from possessing guns. And just moments ago, the justices upholding the law intended to protect domestic violence victims. Let's get right to ABC News senior national correspondent Terry Moran, who's there at the Supreme Court. Terry, break down this decision for us among the justices.
It's a major decision, 8-1. 8 of the justices on board with a decision that limits the reach of the Second Amendment's guarantee of the right to bear arms. This is a Supreme Court that has been extremely friendly to gun rights claims. This case is different. This is a case involving a man who was under a restraining order for domestic violence. He had a weapon and had threatened his intimate partner with it. He threatened other people with it. He's discharged it in public. He was a danger, the court decided, and so disarmed him. He brought a suit saying that the reason he should not be disarmed is because the original meaning of the Second Amendment, back when it was passed in the 1700s, did not include domestic violence as a reason for disarming people. In this case, in an opinion written by Chief Justice John Roberts, the court rejects that argument. Roberts declaring that taken together, if you look at all of the evidence, he says, of the history of gun restrictions in this country, common sense suggests the same thing. When an individual poses a clear threat of physical violence to another, the threatening individual may be disarmed. And Roberts and the other justices who write go through the history, and what they're saying is essentially it doesn't have to be a one-to-one match, because clearly domestic violence was not a big issue in the 1700s. It was considered a private matter under law. Times have changed, and this case says that, yes, even under the Second Amendment, gun laws can change as well, with the principle being that people who are dangerous individuals found to be threatening others can be temporarily disarmed.